Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I managed to sneak out for a couple hours last Friday with my nephew here. He's from New York and visiting and wanted to fish for a couple hours. It was a brisk 17 degrees when we got out there, and it was windy, and we froze our tails off. But decided to go trolling just so we could get on the fish a little bit quicker. And we only fished for a couple hours here. But we did manage to pull in a few fish just so he had a shot to catch some fish here. But yeah, enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, I think it's hitting bottom. Does this one hit bottom too? Oh no, it's a fish.
It's a fish?
Yeah. Oh, you got a fish? Why'd you stop reeling? Reel. Well, you got slack now. Here, take this one.
Oh, I think there's something. Hold on.
Take mine.
Okay.
Don't give it slack. See how my pole's bent?
Yep.
Oh yeah, you got a fish, yeah.
Oh, there's one on there?
No? I'm just gonna get out of the way. First fish of the year for Lexington.
Yeah. In like 2 years.
Huh?
In like 2 years.
Give it, tip up. Once it's close, we'll get her in.
Sorry.
Did he lose it?
No, I think I still got it. It's not pulling as much.
I think he lost it.
You think I did? No. See, it's still moving. Yep.
Yeah.
She's still on. What is that?
It's a fish.
What kind?
A bass, probably. Come over here.
Okay.
On the other side of the, you see how you're crossed?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice size too. Good Lord. All right, hit the release button.
Okay.
God, that's a good looking fish right there. Dude.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Do we get a picture with it?
Yeah, if you want one.
It's a nice one.
Hold her up. Just grab it right here, right thumb. Got it?
Yeah. Set it back in?
Yeah, put her in gently.
Across the whole way. You're gonna go right through the water. Simple as that.
Whoa, there's a fish.
That's a fish, yep.
Oh, wow. Real fast. Does it feel like it's pulling?
Yeah, no, it's pulling.
Does it kick or? Oh yeah, you got a fish. Okay, put it on that side of the boat. Boy, that thing hit hard, didn't it?
Yeah, it did hit hard. It's still giving a fight.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think it just went sideways and we got it. I don't even know.
See if you can bring it here. Bring it this way.
Is that a catfish?
No, they're all, that's a bass.
It's a bass?
All right. It's a little smaller. All right. What do you think, about a pound?
Yeah.
You can put her off on the side here.
So?
Yeah, a little over a
Let
pound.
it go?
Yep. All right, see ya.
Dart safe back off.
I think we're hitting bottom. Oh,
Yep.
you gonna get this one?
I think we have a
That's
fish
a fish, yeah.
That is a fish, okay, yeah. Yep, that's a fish.
You think so?
We're not, don't worry.
Is he still on?
Oh, I think it's a fish,
Yeah?
yeah. Yeah, that's on.
Huh?
I think it's, yep.
I'm gonna bump it, hold on. You feel them kicking?
Huh?
You feel them kicking?
No, not really. Granted, I don't think they're kicking as much though, because
Yeah. You might have seaweed. Can you reel faster, or is that all you got?
You want to reel?
No, that's okay.
I don't think I have anything
You think you lost him?
I'm not seeing anything. I see something.
Yeah?
Yeah, I see the reflection. Yep, there's something on.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got a fish.
Big one.
Oh, there it is. Nice. That's a nice fish. This might be bigger than the first one.
Got that on video?
Yeah. All right.
Set him on.
Put him in. There he goes. It sounds like you're just making it. Oh, there's a fish. That's a nice one. Okay, don't give it slack. Remember, keep the tip up. All right, some action. Warm you up a little bit.
Oh.
God, it's not pulling hard, is it?
No, it is.
She coming in? Huh? Hold on. Oh, it's like right next to you.
Yeah, it's over there. Grab that other rod.
I can't. We gotta.
Oh, I got it.
I can't get the net. Well, it's another nice one. Bring him here. Bring him here. Oh yeah. Okay, hit the release button.
Okay.
There we go. That's another nice fish, huh? You want to hold it so you can take a picture?
That's fine. It's just.
Huh?
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, another one in the boat. Probably about 2 pounds.
How much do you think it weighs?
Probably like around 2 pounds.